What's going on, guys? Today we're taking a look at this MFish 140 watt charger. Now they sent me this over to check out, so let's go ahead and take a look. So as we take a look at the charger itself, it is not all that big at all. And this is really meant to replace multiple chargers. So if you have a laptop charger, phone charger, tablet charger, earbuds or headphone charger, this is going to replace all of those and just be one thing that you have to take with you instead of multiple chargers. So it's not all that big, which I love. And then we have the pop-out prongs because, of course, you're going to plug this right into the wall. But then when you're done and you're putting it in your bag, you put the prongs up so they're not in the way, they're not scratching anything up, they're just out of the way, which I really, really like. Now, as far as your ports go, they are all right there, and you have 3 USB-C and then 1 USB-A. The top Type-C, that's going to be your highest powered port, that's going to be 140 watts. And then moving down, the second Type-C, that is going to be 100 watts. The third Type-C is going to be, 20 watts. And then that Type-A is going to be 22.5 watts. So if you are using, multiple devices, it will share the power between the ports. But again, if you're using higher powered devices, they will get the most power that they need. So 140 watts is more than enough power for something like a MacBook Pro. Only thing that would exceed this would be like a super high-end gaming laptop, but most laptops overall are going to be 65 watts. Some mid-range to higher-end laptops are going to be 100 watts. So this is definitely going to have you covered, and I just like that it's super small. I use one of these. I take one charger with me for my trips instead of taking like 3 or 4. It is the perfect thing. So if you're looking for an awesome portable charger, this is one that I would definitely recommend.